So let me ask you this. So when you guys are out prospecting or you're talking to dispensary owners, or do you encounter a lot of resistance in terms of, them seeing the benefits of what you guys offer, or is it pretty much once you start talking to them, they basically start to agree, hey, yeah, we have problems in this area? What would you say?
I would say the opposite, Marv. I'm going to jump in here if that's okay, and then I'll hand it over. But I'll say it's the opposite. It's more along the lines of, oh, that's great, but by the way, we also have this problem and that problem.
Okay.
So, for example, products spoil, right? Cannabis has a 1-year expiration date, right? And right now, between triangulating all these systems, there's no good spoilage monitoring. So that's just one example of a feedback from a dispensary owner, not even operations manager or GM, from the owner level, saying, hey, could you really help us with this? And there's a million of these examples. If anything, it's the exact opposite. We go in and they want to engage, and then they would like us to solve a list of other problems. Which is fine. We are there to do whatever we can do to help.
Yeah, so it's a cascading effect. So basically, once you knock over one domino, it just keeps going, and they're like, "Hey, well, we got these other problems here. We need help with."
Yeah. Marvin, anything to add?
I would say that. So what we've tried to do is prioritize around our mission to make sure we're aligning. Because there's some problems worth solving, but we're not the ones to solve it because of the mission that we're on. And so the spoilage thing is something we're adding to the platform in the next month, probably. Yeah. So that's and it fits with the data that we're already collecting. So what we try to do is look at like Albee tries to say daisy chain, but the inventory is the lifeblood of their revenue. And so we want to leverage that to push them so they can either figure out ways to cut their expenses and do some things. So product labels is something else we've been told a lot. Like, it's a manual process, it's painful. A lot of the POSs make it hard. So that might be something we say later. But so we try to do things we think we can give them the most value at the fastest rate. And that's how we make decisions on what we want to improve or refine our products around. So
Awesome.